to anger. I feel so happy and calm. When I'm not angry, I feel very cheerful. I feel like reciting poems and jumping up and down with excitement. When I'm not angry, I'm well behaved. I greet everyone with a smile and say salam. I am kind to my family members. When I'm not angry, I feel very confident and smart. I not only finish my homework but also enjoying reading books. I feel happy to do my work, polish my shoes, and help my family and friends. When I'm not angry, I feel very relaxed. My heart feels as if I'm beside a sea and sound of waves make me calm. Or as if I'm in a beautiful garden with the smell of trees and fresh flowers. I feel like I'm flying high above the sky, resting on a cloud. Now that I know how it feels to be at peace, why should I get angry? Why should I choose to be angry when I can be happy and well behaved? Why should I yell and shout when I can be kind? Why should I look dumb being angry when I can be smart? Allah has given me the power to control my emotions, and I choose to be happy, peaceful, kind, and smart even when I get angry.